Last August, Mirko Cesena, the young 3D helicopters world champion and FPV drone racing DCL official pilot, took his ASIPP indoor professional pilot certification skill test at the Wayne State University in Detroit, USA. ASIPP, the American Society of Indoor Professional Pilots, is a U.S. association born with the aim of certifying UAS pilots to the specific professional use of drones in hostile environments. Special caged aircrafts are used to sneak in pipes, tanks, in very tight and dark situations where a common UAS couldn't fly and a human inspection would be impossible. In this particular occasion, a skycopter by Skypersonic was used for the skill test both in line of sight and FPV. For students and young drone fanatics, this can be a very interesting way to put their passion and ability at service of the drone industry, working side by side with engineers and professionals from the safety and inspection industry. The ASIPP examination can certify for 2 classes for both line of sight and FPV flying, with written and practical tests. Mirko passed both with perfect scores, getting the Class 2 license, the most complete for this kind of activities. ASIPP is opening subsidiaries in different countries, including Italy. More info and updates on the website asipp.co.